Evening all, Friday night, and I'm just doing a little edit here. So here we go. To some of you that are new to the channel, this is a no frills kind of channel. This is reality plumbing. The rest of you who know, you know what the deal is. I don't have to explain it to you. All of you that don't understand how the YouTube thing works, for us to keep the channel going, if that's what you want, by, I know this sounds weird, by watching the ads at the beginning. It's a small price to pay for the information that's given out, because without watching the ads I get no revenue, so it's nothing in the scheme of things. If you watch the ads, you're doing me a favour. If you're also subscribing, and clearly with the amount of views that some of these videos are getting, and if you look at the stats, we're pretty low on subscribers, so give it a thumbs up, comment, like, do all of the above. You're helping me out and you're helping the channel to grow. If you've got any ideas of what you want to see or anything, post them in the comments below. Just a massive thanks to all of you for decent comments and a bit of banter on there, and I hope you're all keeping well and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good one and stay safe, but stay at home, but don't forget to go out, but come in unless you know where you're going, and then we're going to track you anyway. Take it easy, guys. Okay, so today we're going to do this for this old lady. So here's a pair of tabs, and there's no identifiable marks to change or pull this apart, so typically you would try and undo this, but there's no marks, like I say, or screws. So in this case I'm just going to give it a little pull, see if it's this way. There you go. So this is typically the structure I take to change something. And clearly it's still live. Yeah. So pull the other side, which is the hot in this case. So that's open. So we've got these both off. Now we can take the cartridge out. Well, in this case, little trick when you're doing this and you're trying to wrench this up and you're turning the whole thing, just grab a hold of both the spout and that, squeeze together. There you go, done. That wasn't too bad, was it? So I see a lot of people grabbing hold of this and pulling it up and trying all of this stuff. Don't need to. Just pull it like you're squeezing a gun out. Well, okay, no, not squeezing a gun. Just, yeah, and that's it. So, nice and easy. Nice and easy, darling. You have time. Love these customers. Just do.
Yeah.
That's the hot.
You know, my cleaner and my gardener.
Yeah.
Now I'll be able to say I've got my plumber.
Yeah, you will be able to now. You'll be able to say soon, I'm just going out to the grounds.
So funny. It sounds so posh.
Yeah, I think it's like aristocracy here.
Have you had to go up in the loft?
Not yet, but we'll see. We'll see in a bit.
Yeah. Let me have a look. Let me find out when this bathroom was done.
So that's new, and it's the same size. Nice and rubber. That's it. Down you go. I said to the lady that the tap downstairs I thought was 4 or 5 years of age, and going on, and she checked and it was. There's nowhere to turn it off, so I'm going to use one of these. This will put it upstairs in the loft. A rat bung with a bit of towel. Let's go to work. It's quite there that we want to block. I know it's down there.
And basically push it into the hole.
To go back to the stairs. Back to the stairs. So the tap, in this case, it's pretty much on its way to being stopped. It'll stop in a minute. There you go, it's almost there. Yeah. And we can work on this tap. Slow it down. Tea time. Nice. Don't mind if I do. Okay, so we've got a bath here, and it's got a leak somewhere, but we don't know where. So we're going to have to take off one or all of these bath tiles across here. So we're just doing this one at the moment. See if we get this down. Just tighten it up. Let's tighten it up. Done. Oh, still leaking. Just see it there. Just tighten it. Yeah, I'll say. I've just tightened it up. Would you believe, I think in a minute. It's been leaking for a long time, that one. Yep, still leaking, okay. That's been tightened right up to the limit. If you look at that, it's not very symmetrical, is it? It's wrapped right over here. There's that one. That's supposed to have a manky one. Gotta stay there. Damaged. Finally. Oh yeah, guess what I'm doing? Cutting the hole. Probably not my best angle, but here we are. And so I've gone on a limb on this one, looking for a leak. Shower leaking below. I've come up here, cut a hole in here, and I don't know if you can see it. But there it is. you know, it's not this pipe, it's not this pipe, it's the one right at the back, in the fucking dark. So the access you can see here is really difficult, even around the side, you can't get to it. This pipe is up against the pipe slice. It's taking over forever. That's it sorted. Not my best work, but so difficult to get in there. Anyway, I've tooled it up. And he's making cider, clearly. So originally, he wanted me to go through this cupboard, through the ceiling, which is probably about 10 inches away from where I cut the back out. So, and these are all bespoke, so no chance. Just felt the other way was a better way. So anyway, and what makes it worse, he's got a better hoover than me. He's got a better hoover than me. Bugger. Anyway, it's all done, so I'm pleased.